Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to settle an order in Odoo 19 point of sale. So let's dive into the point of sale. From here, we can just open the furniture shop and let's create an order. So let me consider the disk combination as well as the disk organizer. Afterwards, we can just move on to the customer side and let me create a new customer. So upon clicking on create, you can say that we will be getting the form view to create the customer, and you can save the details of the customer over here. Afterwards, you can just move on to the payment section, and here you can see that we have the customer account, and let me choose that and click on validate, and you can see that we have just done with the payment. Now let me create another order. So let's say desk pad, desk stand with screen drawer, drawer black. Okay, here we just need to apply the load number, and let's apply it, and let me choose the large desk, and let me add the items over here. And afterwards, let me add the customer over here. So the customer is Bolu. So you can add Bolu over here. And once it's been set over here, you can just move on to the payment section. Again, choose the customer account. And let's click on validate so that this amount will be added to the customer account. Okay, so we're gonna just settle up this amount from the customer side. So to manage with that, again, let's move on to the new order, and under the customer, here you can see search for Bolu. So as you just search for Bolu, here you will be able to find that Bolu has a total due of 5,136.58 as the due. And here we have the settings. Upon clicking on settings, here you can find all orders of Bolu, as well as if you want to just edit the details of Bolu, you can just do so. And they can also settle up the orders. So I'll be going to settle the orders, and here you can see that it shows the orders with the date, order reference number, session, receipt number, and total, due, as well as um, status. So if you want to just settle up everything, you can just select the orders that you want to select and click on select. Just select it, and you can simply click on payment, and the payment will be done by using cash or card. So let me just move on to the cash, and let's click on validate so that we can just settle due order lines. So we just want to deposit this to Bolu. Um, so let me click on yes, and here you can see we have just made with the payment. Okay. So this is how we manage with settling of orders in Odoo 19 point of sale. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.